This is how to key out green screen in Adobe Premiere using the Ultra Key Effect tool. So I'm up here and let's go to the editing tab. I'm just going to right click, import, desktop, green screen folder, and I'm going to import this entire folder. Double click, grab my clips, bring them down here, then I can delete that. Remember, you can go to different views here. So here is my clip. We can go ahead and click here, and we're going to just use the in and out points to grab the part of the clip that we want. Remember, you're going to use J, K, and L on the keyboard to scrub through, and the I and O to make your in and out points. Okay, now that you have your in and out points, you can bring the both audio and video down here, or you can bring just video, or you can bring just audio. So we'll bring just that, and you have your clips, your clip down into the timeline to continue editing. Okay, you can see as you scrub through here, here's a little bit of shadow here. That is okay. I bet we can work with this. Okay, so what our goal is to just get rid of the key, all the green. Okay, and we're going to go out on the internet, find a background, and if you look at the rubric, it says find a background that does not distract from the subject. Okay, so let's key it out. So all we're going to do is go here to effects, and we're going to search for key. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to use Ultra Key for this. I'm going to click and drag onto my footage here. So now that I put the effects on there, I need to go up here to effects control. You can bring all of this stuff up until you find Ultra Key. Click on the eyedropper tool, come over here, and I would just look for a darker part of the green screen, and I'm going to just click there. Okay, but if you want to adjust some of the blurriness or some of the green shadows areas up here, you can try it again, and you can choose another spot and see how that works. Okay, now what we're going to do is we need to find a background. So we need to put the background on top or underneath. Probably underneath. So I'm just going to bring the video clip up so we can bring the background down underneath here. So let me go online, and I'm just going to search for abstract backgrounds. I'm going to go to images. Since we need this at least 1280 by 720, I'm going to go to tools, size, large, and try to find something that's bigger than 1280 by 720. So let's just choose something here that's not going to be too distractive. So let me just grab this right here. Okay, so I like this. I'm going to go to, let's see what this looks like if I just right click. Let's try to save the image. We're going to save it inside our green screen folder because that's where we save everything to do with this project, inside one folder. Okay, so let's see if that came in. We're going to go back to project, right click, import, desktop, green screen, and there is our picture. Now we can't put it up here, right, because it comes out over the top. We need to stretch this across to cover the entire footage. We're going to bring it down underneath. Now let's just play it. If you think it still looks a little distracting, maybe you want to, let's try this. Let's delete that. Let's go back up here. Let's try to find something a little lighter because he's wearing a black shirt, so it can pop out a little more. Let's just try something like this. Okay, let's right click, save image as. Let's save it into the same folder. Go back here, right click, import, desktop, green screen. Let's see if this is a little better. Bring this in. That kind of comes out, he pops a little more. So now you can go in and adjust this a little more. So we put the green screen on this clip here. I'm going to go down under my effects, some of the other tools inside Ultra Key. And here's a good one, pedestal. I can just kind of drag this around and clean this up a little. Okay, that is how you take a green screen and key it out in Adobe Premiere.